Hello guys, welcome to Sigma Tech. Today we have a Acer board for repair. It's a dealer's laptop. We already opened it and here is the board. It's look like 5th or 6th generation and the part number is DAZ8V RMB8E0 Rev E. The problem is it is not turning on. So let's try to fix it. After so many days, this is the repair video we are making today. So stay tuned. So guys, here is the board and we have inserted the jack. Now let's test it on the 19 volts. So we have the 19 volts connected. So let's insert the charger. Now when we insert the charger, nothing happens. If I can show you on the DC what's happening, the 20 volt has been set to the DC and it is taking 0.01 amp or 2 amp sometimes, and that's all. That means it is trying to start it but it is not able to start. So it seems there is no shorting on the board, but there is some components which is faulty. So now let's start probing where is the problem. So here I think this is the coil and here we are getting 20 volts. You can see here, hopefully you can see it. Here we are getting 20 volts. Now on the diode we are getting 19.9. There is a slight drop in this. Okay, so that is okay. Now on the first MOSFET, this is the first MOSFET. On the drain side we are getting 19 volts, 20 volts almost, and on the source there is no voltage. On the source side of this MOSFET we are not getting any voltage. On the gate there is no voltage. So I think this is the culprit. If you check it out on the CLR resistor, there is no voltage. So most probably this could be the problem. We have found it so easily. Now let's check it out whether this MOSFET is faulty or the gate which is connected to some IC which is faulty. First we will do the cold checking. Okay, so here this MOSFET, the DC is connected. Let's disconnect. Now let's check it out. Okay, now we are getting the value. See, 512. That means either there is a problem inside this or there is a problem with the IC which is connected. Here we have some IC. Here we have some IC. Let's check it out from the gate. From the gate, if we check to the ground, still we are getting the value. And this must be driven by this IC, I guess. Let's check it out. On the IC also there is no beep. So the IC is not directly connected to this IC. It's a BQ IC, I guess. Yes, it's a BQ IC. Now here there is no IC backside. Here two MOSFETs are there. Let's check it out. MOSFETs look good. So in this scenario what we have to do is we just have to short this MOSFET to find out whether the voltage is passing from this side to that side or not. Now let's do it. I'll zoom it little bit. So here we have a tweezer. What we'll do is we will short the tweezer and then we will insert the power jack and we'll see what's happening, whether the voltage is transferring or not. So guys, here I'm holding the tweezer from source to drain and now I'm plugging the power jack. Okay, when I hold it from source to drain and connect the charger, it is taking 4.5 amps. That means there is a shorting. So now we have to find out where is the shorting. Okay, it is not the MOSFET but something else. Now let's do cold checking further. Oh, here you can see we missed out from ground to source. It is giving beep, and on the CLR also it is giving beep now. If you check it out here, directly there is no beep, but from the ground CLR is giving beep. So the 19-volt line is short. We missed it. Now let's trace it. We use the method. We'll remove the CLR and we will do the job. This side there is no beep. Value is coming, and here there is a beep. So we'll attach 19 volts here and see what is hitting. Now we'll reduce the voltage to 1 or 2, and the other one will solder this side. Now let's turn on the DC. 1.1 volt and it is taking 0.62 amp. Something must be hitting. I think it is here. Something is hitting. Now we'll increase the voltage to 1.5. Now it is taking 100 0.195 amp. I think something is hitting here. We'll increase a little bit more. 2 volt almost. Yes. Okay guys. So if you can see it, it is here. This cap is hitting. Now let's remove it and check it out. Now let's find out whether the short has gone or not. Yes, the shorting has gone. That was the cap on processor section. Now let's place another cap here, or either we can leave it like that and we are good to go. So let's place one. It's better because it's a processor section, core section. Now let's check the board whether it is turning on or not, or is there anything else we can do it. So 19 volt is coming. Okay, that means 19 volt is passing from here, and on the CLR also 19 volt is coming, and 5 volt 3 volt section 5 volt is coming, 3.3 is coming. So everything is fine, I guess. Now let's find out where is the power button. In this Acer board, I guess the power button is on the keyboard. So let's find out. So let's short the keyboard and find out whether it is turning on or not. We will put the heatsink and fan. We have to short it. Yes guys, it is turning on. As you can see, the blue light is glowing and the fan also is started to spin. Let's wait for a second, and it's taking the ampere. Second time turning on. Yes, it is taking 0.47 amp. That means the laptop has been turned on. Second time also off. This is third time, and the fan is spinning, and the display would have come. Let's check it out with the keyboard. So on the keyboard the display has not come. Maybe it's a RAM issue. Let's pack the laptop and check it out whether it is successful or not. So guys, you can see we have packed the laptop and it is running now on the battery also, as well as on the charger also. So this is how we fix laptops. If you found this video informative, please give a like to the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.